In this video, I'll show you how to insert link on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open any document, then select any slide, then click on Insert tab, and here you can see links option. Just click on this arrow icon, then click on Insert link. Here you can see 4 options: existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, and email address. You have to just select existing file or web page, and here you can see address option. Just put the cursor here. Now you have to copy a link. If I open Chrome browser and copy this video link, and then just paste your link here, then click on OK, and it's done. Now your link has been inserted successfully. Your link has been placed on this text. So if you put the cursor on the text option, that's it. You can see the link is showing. Now if you want to open your link, you have to just press and hold your control key and then click on this text, and that's it. You can see it's opened successfully. And that is how you can insert link on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.